Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the Indian stock market? This week, we're going to give you the lowdown on the best stocks to buy and how to make the most of your investments. First, let's talk about the banking sector. We recommend investing in HDFC Bank, which is expected to benefit from a pickup in corporate lending and a strong retail business. HDFC Bank is another bank that's worth considering. With its robust capital adequacy ratio and expanding digital presence, both stocks have the potential to give you a solid return on investment. Next, we're looking at the IT sector. TCS is a top pick. With its strong order book and growing presence in emerging markets, Infosys is another stock that's worth considering. With its improving operating efficiency and expanding cloud services business, both stocks have the potential to give you a stable return on investment. Finally, we're keeping an eye on the pharma sector, with stocks like Cipla and Lupin looking promising due to their strong product pipelines and expanding presence in emerging markets. Don't miss out on these opportunities. Sign up for our Finaixram weekly newsletter at rzp.io/rzp/tmibk4 to stay ahead of the market and make informed investment decisions.